तो आप सभी ने पाइथन इंस्टॉल कर लिया होगा and PyGenV and a VS Code editor on which we do some coding. So if you haven't, then please, there are many videos on YouTube. Just find for Python and PyGenV and VS Code. So just download all these, configure their path as well. So let's talk about code editor. Many of them use VS Code, PyCharm, Windsor. There are multiple you can choose according to your need. And in our code series, we use VS Code and some terminal basics commands, as you know, all these with PWD, with ls, with change directory to a folder name, and Python app.py. By this, we just so with Python app.py, we run a Python 5. Okay, the script basically. So, what is tunnel as you know already? Let's have a basic discussion. Those who don't know what is tunnel, so the terminal lets you navigate folders, run Python files, and manage packages. So let's as we have seen such commands. So we can also use uh when we do some coding. So we can use their multiple commands. Just when now just see it's just right now you can just see it just for examples. Okay, so let's jump to basically and I think you have already installed a virtual environment. Okay, so by that when we create a dedicated environment for a particular project any. Okay, so let's see. Firstly, you are already have downloaded the VS Code. So let's start through VS Code data already. So let's first go to the where then we okay, then by this we shift to the drive. Okay, then we do ls. We check many of the folders. Which one I am to say we go for to and just tab after just writing a first word. Second, you just do simply a tab, then it will automatically come up the code, and you just enter. Okay. So, and inside this, even there are being what folders of files are in this folders. Let's see, check one. So, and there is one project one. So I have chosen one folder, YouTube demos, and now we just create a one directory inside that. So just do you have today create a one directory like my project and then jump to my project and just do some coding. But before that, as we talk, we use virtual environment. So first we create a one folder. Let's see directory first uh, my first check simply and just like I enter. Okay, so you can just go to this directory as well. So this is first project. Okay, now we check inside it is all empty. Now we have to open a VS Code editor just to simply code dot. Let's open the VS Code editor for you on the terminal only simply, or you can open directly. There is no issue. Let's open the terminal. Okay, so inside this, you can just simply, you have to create you are inside your first project. Now we have to create a virtual environment for this project. So over here in the current directory, you just create a one environment. So we can check environment. So just go in our DOM, just simply you use like Python app. And so by this command, the virtual environment will be created by the name by VENV, or you can give any name like my ENV is. Okay, so this is very created, it's displayed. Yeah. So right now we have just created only a virtual environment right now. Now we have to just activate it. So what we have to do now? Just go to your log again and check how to activate your environment. So for on your tools, you can simply use, or to activate an environment, you can use simply virtual environment. If so, now how to activate your environment? So just go to your dock and check for Windows. You can simply this command just to activate your environment that you have created right now. So just go to VS Code, activate your. So now see your environment is activated. So simply now create one file and set this, say demo1 plus2.py. Okay. So we will create one project, one file. So let's see. Now suppose you have to print a hello world, then simply just type print hello world and we have control S. And then you simply just run your code by doing Python, then your script name demo1.py, you just enter, see hello world will come. So this is your output. This is our first Python hello world.